Alright, welcome traders to this our episode of shifting the trader from the chart to mastering himself, paying attention to the trader and not the chart. And today we're talking about how to build discipline, build unbreakable discipline in day trading. Because any day trader you see out there that is profitable has built this discipline. He has acquired this discipline and it has become part of him as a trader. Now, what is discipline? What does discipline really mean, right? What does discipline really mean? Now, discipline is doing the same thing every time, especially when you don't feel like it. In trading, discipline is doing the same thing. You only trade your setup. If your setup is not there, you don't have a trade. That's discipline. If your plan says you are trading only 2 trades per day, as you hit the 2 trades per day, whether it's TP or SLs, you are done for the day. That is discipline. If your plan says you're only risking 1% of your total account per trade, if you put that 1%, anytime you want to trade, you risk that 1%. That is discipline. Then do that every day, every time that the thing shows up. Every time your trade shows up, you trade with that normal risk. That's discipline. It's not hard. It's not something strange somewhere. Discipline is doing the same thing every time. The right things that you have set for yourself, especially when even you don't feel like it. That's when you hear people say trading is boring. It's not exciting. Profitable trading is very boring, boy. It's very boring. Doing the same thing is very boring. There's no excitement in it. Now, there are 4 pillars of discipline as a trader. 4 pillars of discipline that you need to build so that I can build that discipline aspect of you as a trader. There are 4 pillars. Number one is a clear rule, no guessing. You write it down. Make sure that you see it. If you have a setup in your house that your table that you're setting up, print those rules and paste it in front of you in your setup there. Post it and see it. So that you begin to rewire your brain that until you see that setup, you are not taking a trade. You define your setup, you define your entry, your stop loss, your take profit, even your risk. Clear rules, no guessworking. That's how you build discipline as a trader. You build it and reach that stage of profitability. Number 2 is fixed risk. You stay controlled. Don't expose your money, too much in the market. Don't expose your money out there. Fix risk. Risk less is my advice to every trader. Nothing beats less risking. Conservative trading. If you want to make more money, have more capital. That's why I have the prop firms here, so they can buy a bigger account to trade less and make more money. That's how it is. Number 3 is routine over motivation. You trade at the same time and session. I like London session personally. London session. I trade at that one session. Stay on that session. No motivation. No, whenever you're motivated, maybe you wake up in the night and in a session and no. You only trade when your time is the time frame, your session. That's how it is. You are trying to build discipline for yourself. You are trying to be disciplined, to build this thing. The purpose for this channel is not to make you hit and run, no. Make you to build yourself, to become a strong trader with nice foundation, unshakable one that will keep you in the industry until you decide to leave. Not because you lose money and leave, until you decide to stop, to resign, to quit. Maybe you have built your dream, you have built your business through trading, and you have the capital now to run your passion, your dreams, your business, your investment. And now you say, let me relax a bit. Not because you are losing, and you run away. No. That's a purpose to build you up, to be that person that can be profitable anywhere, anyhow. Number 4, and the last pillar is accountability. You track everything. You journal every trade. Have a trading journal that you take every trade. You journal every trade. Make sure that you journal. Whatever you cannot journal, you cannot correct, you cannot refine. Any trade that you do not journal, you cannot refine that trade. You cannot correct the mistake in that trade. It's only when you journal it that you can go back to review your week and begin to correct your errors. And the next week, you come back stronger and more prepared. And to avoid those type of error that you make last week, you journal it. You have to be accountable to it. Track everything, all of your trades. Now, these are simple daily structure that you can apply to help you build your discipline. Before the trade, review your plan and setups. Before you take a trade, review your plans again. your confluences that you need to see again, and your setups again. Then during the trade, when the trade, and during the trade, you execute only your trades. As your time reach, your section enter. Until you see your setup, you don't have any execution. Leave it there. So you execute only your trade. After the trade has hit TP or SL, you go back to review the performance honestly. Review it. Where did I make a mistake? Why did it hit an SL? Why did it hit take profit? Review those trades. Those way you are teaching yourself to be disciplined. You are helping yourself to build your discipline as a trader, and also refine yourself for next time you want to take a trade to avoid those same mistakes you make while you are in this trade. That's how to build up to grow as a trader. And you do this intentionally. Like I said, doctors are very intentional in their career. You cannot be careless as a trader and want to stay long in the industry. Trading is a career of its own. Now, first of all, rewire your mindset and a belief system. Your identity will change before you can become profitable as a trader. So you do these things daily, sorry, and your daily repetition of these things will make it a habit for you. And you know what's habit? Habit is things that you do without even thinking. No preparation because they have become part of you now. And if this discipline become part of you, you are already profitable because you have built the trader. You have equipped the trader to face the market reality and survive and come out with money. That is it. So thank you, traders. Those of us who listen to this point, thank you so much. And also share the video to your friends who are struggling as traders. And follow the channel, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell and make sure you're active to receive notification anytime we drop videos like this to trade a particular trading psychology that is common in the market. Thank you, traders, and see you in the next video.